This is the IV flow rate drip interactive calculator, which solves for various infusion parameters used in medical and fluid delivery systems. The calculator has a calculation mode drop-down menu with 5 options: calculate drop rate, calculate volume from drop rate, calculate infusion time, calculate drop factor, and calculate flow rate. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate drop rate mode. The input fields are volume in ml, time in hours, drop factor in drops per ml, drop rate in drops per min, and flow rate in ml per HR. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 1000 for volume in ml, 8 for time in hours, and 15 for drop factor in drops per ml. After clicking calculate, the outputs show a drop rate of 31.25 drops per min and a flow rate of 125 ml per HR. The clinical notes indicate this is a standard infusion rate calculated within typical clinical range. These results tell us that to infuse 1000 milliliters over 8 hours using a 15 drops per milliliter drip set, we need to set the drip rate to approximately 31 drops per minute. This calculator streamlines IV flow calculations for medical professionals and engineers working with fluid delivery systems. Find the link in the description below.